Product means what you get when you multiply two things of a certain number. So the first thing we say, let the number be y, because we don't know it, it's unknown. Now the next thing here, it says the product of that number, that means y multiplied by 5. So the product of the number and 5 is 5 times y, which is 5y. This product here, 5y, is equal to twice the number, is 2 times of it. That's y times 2. That's 2y. Twice the number is 2y. Now they told us that this product here, 5y, is equals to twice this number, this 2y, subtracted from 20. So twice the number subtracted from 20. Number subtracted from 20 is 20 minus 2y. So we have ended up bringing out all we need to solve and find the number. So from here, let's go again. The product of a certain number, that's 5y, is equals to, therefore, hence, 5y is equals to twice the number subtracted from 20. This is it. Is equals to 20 minus 2y. From here, add 2y to both sides. So we have 5y plus 2y is equals to 20 minus 2y plus 2y. This and this goes off. So 5y plus 20y, that will give us 7y. So 7y is equals to 20. Now divide both sides by 7 to get our number, and that's the final answer. So divide by 7 over 7. So which will give us y is equals to, how many 7 we use in 20? That's 2. Remainder, that's 14. 20 minus 14, that's 6 over 7. So this is the number that we are looking for. Two whole number, 6 over 7.